Okay, good afternoon. We are going to start the class. Okay, we'll share the screen. Okay. In the last class, we were discussed about sentence. Last class, we discussed about sentences. As we told earlier, a sentence has two parts. First one subject part and another one predicate. First part is known as subject, and after that, okay, the remaining portion of that sentence is known as predicate. Okay, for example, the magician's show was over. The subject of the sentence is the magician's show, and was over is the predicate part. Okay, got it? Yes. Next, we are going to do a one exercise here. First, 1 minute.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon. Listen here.
Rearrange these words to make complete sentences. Remember to use capital letters and punctuation marks.
Okay. Okay, did you hear something? Yes, okay. Look at
Rearrange these words to make complete sentences. Remember to use capital letters and punctuation marks.
Okay. Rearrange these words to make a complete sentence. Remember to use capital letters and punctuation marks. Okay, here we can see some words are there. Fierce looking, and was the magician, a man, big. There we can see some words are there, and we have to rearrange these words to make a complete sense. Miss നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ അല്ലേ? ഒരു വേർഡ്സിന്റെ കൂട്ടമാണ് ഇവിടെ കാണാൻ സാധിക്കുന്നത് അല്ലേ? We can see a group of words are there, and we have to make a sentence by using the words in the correct position. Okay, can you do it? Can you do it? Read the first one. Read the first one, Sridev.
Fierce looking, and was the magician, a man big.
Okay. Did you read it? Vaicho. First one. Fierce looking, and was the magician, a man big. എങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് rearrange ചെയ്യാം? How can we write this? The magician was a fierce looking man, and big and fierce looking man. Okay, you can write like that. The magician was a big and fierce looking man. The magician, spelling alla avade undu, miss parayna order il ezhudhiya madi. The magician was a big and fierce looking man. You have to write there. The magician was a fierce looking big and fierce looking man. The magician was a big and fierce looking man. Okay, look at the second one. Look at the second one. നമുക്ക് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തു പോവാം ക്ലാസ്സിൽ. ഓക്കെ, എന്നിട്ട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസർ മിസ് നോട്ട് തന്നേക്കെ, എന്നിട്ട് എഴുതിക്കോ എന്റെ മക്കള്. ഓക്കെ, ലീവ് ഇറ്റ് ദാറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ലീവ് ഇറ്റ്. Do not write now. ഇപ്പൊ എഴുതണ്ട. Which is the second one? Picnic, going, a, tomorrow, are we on? The magician എന്ന് എഴുതുന്ന സമയത്ത് you have to write the T should be capital. You have to write T should be capital. The magician was big and fierce looking man. That should be T should be capital. Second one, picnic, going, A, tomorrow, are we on? എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം? How can we write this? Okay, Alina, wait.
Miss, first one ഒന്നും കൂടി പറയുവോ?
Which one? First one. ഇപ്പൊ എഴുതണ്ട, മിസ് നോട്ട് തന്നേക്കാം. Okay. Write the, do not write there. You have to listen here. We can rearrange these words like, are we going on a picnic tomorrow? Second one became, are we going on a picnic tomorrow? നമ്മൾ നാളെ ഒരു പിക്നിക്കിന് പോകുന്നുണ്ടോ? That is a question. Are we going on a picnic tomorrow? Do not write now. Are we going on a picnic tomorrow? Okay. Which is the third one? Was boring a film what it's? What a boring film it was. What a boring film it was. What a boring film it was. How can we rearrange these words? What a boring film it was. Okay, the next one. Next one. Wait. Run barefoot, don't about. How can we rearrange this sentence? Don't run about barefoot. How can we write this one? Don't run about barefoot. How can we write this? Don't run about barefoot. Don't run about barefoot. And the fifth one, Sheena, when was her thrilled was promoted brother. How can we rearrange this sentence? Sheena was thrilled when her brother was promoted. 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 Okay, that's enough. Next work. Which is the next work? Read these groups of words. Write S if they form the subject of a sentence, P if they form the predicate, or C if they are sentences. If they are sentences, write them with correct punctuation in your notebook. Okay, listen carefully here. What is the question? That read these groups of words. You have to read this group of words, then write S if they form the subject of a sentence. ഒരു സെന്റൻസിലെ സബ്ജക്റ്റിനെയാണ് അത് ഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നതെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ അവിടെ എസ് എന്ന് എഴുതുക സെന്റൻസ് നേരെ. മെഹ്ഫൂസ, ആർ യു ലിസണിംഗ്? ഓക്കെ. P if they form the predicate. Okay, predicate part ആണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ P എന്ന് എഴുതുക. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇപ്പൊ സബ്ജക്ട് അറിയാം, predicate അറിയാം അല്ലെ? What do you mean by subject of the sentence? The first part of the sentence is known as subject. The second and last part of the sentence is known as, the remaining portions of that sentence is known as predicate. Okay, P if they form the predicate, or C if they are sentences. അതിന് ഒരു sentence ആണെങ്കിൽ you have to write the C. Okay, subject ആണെങ്കിൽ S എഴുതുക. Then predicate ആണെങ്കിൽ P എഴുതുക. Then sentence ആണെങ്കിൽ C എഴുതുക. If they are sentences, write them with correct punctuation in your notebook. Okay, first one. Was coming home from school. Was coming home from school. Is that form a subject or predicate? Is that a sentence? Was coming home from school എന്നുള്ളത് predicate ആണോ, subject ആണോ, sentence ആണോ? Can you identify this? Yes, very good, Fatima Mehfooza. That is a predicate. Write the P. P. First one, P. The answer is here. Okay. P. Then second one. No, I can't clear it. Say one more time. Okay. What do you want to say, Christy? Enda Christy? Christy Cinder, where are you? Alan Saj. Ne, attendance നോക്കിയിട്ടില്ല നോക്കാം. Okay. Alan, where is Christy Cinder? Okay, leave it. Okay, listen here. Second one. The lioness and her cubs were hungry. The lioness and her cubs were hungry. That is a full sentence. So that is C. Write the C. That is a sentence. The lioness and her cubs were hungry. ഇനി നിങ്ങൾ നോക്കിയേ, that is a sentence. We identify that is a sentence. And the first letter of that sentence, is it in capital? Sinan? Part ഒക്കെ പിന്നെ. Now you are in class. Leave all other activities. Okay, listen here. The T should be capital. You have to write the T. T should be in capital. Sinan, can't you hear me? Second sentence T എന്താ capital അല്ലേ വേണ്ടത്? അവിടെ എഴുതു മോനെ. Look at the second sentence. The lioness and her cubs were hungry. Yes.
Miss, അവിടെ capital T അല്ലേ?
Yes. ഒരു സെന്റൻസ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ എന്തായിരിക്കണം? ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ആയിരിക്കണം. അവിടെ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ആണോ? ഡ എന്നുള്ള ടി ക്യാപിറ്റൽ സ്മോൾ ലെറ്ററിലല്ലേ ഉള്ളത്? യെസ്. സോ യു ഹാവ് ടു റൈറ്റ് ദർ ടി ഷുഡ് ബി ഇൻ ക്യാപിറ്റൽ. ക്യാപിറ്റൽ ടി എഴുതുക അവിടെ. ദ ലയണസ് ആൻഡ് ഹർ കബ്സ് വർ ഹംഗ്രി. Third one. Lila likes to go trekking in the forest. Third one. Lila likes to go trekking in the forest. That is a full sentence. So you have to write the C. Write the third one. Third sentence. Write the T. Sorry, C. ഇത്രയും വലിയ കുട്ടികളായിട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞ കൊല്ലം ഒരു കുഴപ്പമില്ലാതെ നിങ്ങൾ ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് കേട്ട് എഴുതിയതാണല്ലോ. ഇപ്പൊ എന്താ ഇത്ര ഡൗട്ട്സ്? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഞാൻ മലയാളത്തിലടക്കം പറഞ്ഞു തരുന്നില്ലേ? ഇല്ലേ? പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ ചെയ്യാൻ ഭയങ്കര ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാണ് ഇപ്പൊ. നല്ല മക്കളായിട്ട് എഴുതിയേ. ഓക്കെ. I'm going to mute you all. If do you want to say anything, please raise your hand. Okay. വലുതാവും തോറും നമ്മൾ വഷളാവുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ലല്ലോ. നല്ല മക്കളാവ് വരുവല്ലേ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അതെ. Okay. Lila likes to go trekking in the forest. That is a full sentence. It conveys a full meaning. So you have to write the C. Lila എന്നുള്ളതിന്റെ first letter. That is already in capital letter അല്ലേ? അത് capital letterൽ തന്നെയാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഒന്നും ചെയ്യാൻ പോകണ്ട. Fourth one. The new factory near the stream. The new factory near the stream. What was that? S ആണോ? P ആണോ? Fourth one. The new factory near the stream. അതിന്റെ ബാക്കി എന്തോ ഉണ്ടല്ലേ? The new factory near the stream. അതിന്റെ ബാക്കി ആ സെന്റൻസിൽ ഫുൾ എന്തോ ഉണ്ടല്ലേ അദ്വൈത് കമലേ? So that is a subject part. Write there S. അടി തന്നെ കിട്ടും. ഞാൻ വീട്ടിൽ വന്ന് അടിക്കും. എന്നെ അറിയാത്തോണ്ടാണ്. കഴിഞ്ഞ പ്രാവശ്യത്തെ കുട്ടികളോട് ചോദിച്ചാൽ മതി അദ്വൈത്. Okay. Do not laugh. I don't know. I don't want to see your laugh. The new factory near the stream. So that is S. Write there S. That sentence, that group of words try to form a subject part. The new factory near the stream. Fourth one, write there C. Sorry, S. Then fifth one, the deer were grazing peacefully. What was that? The deer were grazing peacefully. That is a sentence. Okay? That conveys a full meaning. So, write the C. C. ഇനി ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം കൂടി അദ്വൈത കമല വീഡിയോ ഓഫ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഞാനത് സാറിനെ അറിയിക്കും. Okay? The deer were grazing peacefully. The deer were grazing peacefully. Write the C. Then sixth one, Pankaj, comma, my brother, comma. That is right, that group of words try to form a subject part. So write the S. Advaide, nalla monaayittu ezhudiye. Nalla monalle, miss parna kelkunna monalle. Pinnende? Write the sixth one, S. Write the sixth one, S. Write the sixth one, S. Then seventh one, go. What is that? I can't clear that word. What is that? Ghost King. No, I'm not clear that word. Okay, Anos, Devanjana, can you read that word?
Yes. Go skiing in the Himalayas.
What is the spelling of that second word?
Skiing.
Okay, go skiing in the Himalayas. Okay. Is that sentence subject or predicate? Okay. Seventh one, that is a predicate. Okay, that group of words try to form a predicate. Then eighth one, likes playing basketball. Likes playing basketball. Likes playing basketball. Eighth one, that is a predicate. അതിന് മുമ്പിൽ എന്തോ ഉണ്ടല്ലേ അല്ലേ? ചിലപ്പോ Edwin likes playing basketball അങ്ങനെ ആയിരിക്കും അല്ലേ? So that is a predicate. രണ്ടാമത്തെ ഒരു സെന്റൻസിലെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ പാർട്ടാണത് അല്ലേ? Yes. The ninth one, the clear, comma, blue color. The clear, comma, the blue color. That is try to form a subject. Ninth one, subject. Then 10th one, came to take these books. Came to take these books. That is predicate. Write there predicate. Ajit sir came to take these books. Parents came to take these books. First part in the parents are Ajit sir anale. So the remaining part is predicate. Okay. Devanjana, do you want to say anything? Yes.
കിട്ടിയില്ല.
Say once more. Devanjana. Which one? Eighth one, likes playing basketball. That is predicate. Okay then. Ameya. Okay.
Miss, fifth one, capital letter alle.
Yes, very good. The deer were grazing peacefully. The D should be capital. Fifth one, D should be capital. Thanks. Okay then. Anyone else?
Sir, seventh one.
Seventh one, go skiing in the Himalayas. That is predicate. P.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay then. Fatima Mahfooza, do you want to say anything? Hmm? Okay, Fatima. No need of that. Okay, Alna. Next, Alna.
Miss, 10th one.
10th one came to take these books. That is predicate. Predicate, ane?
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Okay, next, Devapriya. Yes. Etra perkane?
Fifth one.
And the fifth one? Read the fifth one.
The deer was peaceful.
Okay, that is C. Sorry, C.
Sixth.
Sixth one. Read the sixth one. Write the sixth one.
My brother.
Okay, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് skiing എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയണ്ടേ? Skiing, what do you mean by skiing? Don't you know that? Skiing means what? അറിയാം. എന്താ skiing? Shambil, what do you mean by skiing? പറയൂ ഷംബീലെ. Unmute yourself. Okay, listen here. Okay, and this is skiing. നമ്മുടെ ഹിമാദ്രിയിലും ഹിമാലയത്തിലൊക്കെ നമ്മള് ചെറിയൊരു എന്താ വീതി കുറഞ്ഞൊരു ഹിമാദ്രികം ഉപയോഗിച്ച് നമ്മൾ ഹിമപ്പരപ്പിലെ കൂടെ തെന്നി പോകുന്ന ആ സാധനത്തിന് പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് സ്കീയിങ്. ഓക്കെ, സ്കീയിങ്. Skiing. Okay. This is skiing. Okay. Listen. That's enough. Okay. Then which is our next work? Next work. Next work. Complete these sentences with suitable subjects or predicates. Okay, താഴെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന സെന്റൻസ് സ്യൂട്ടബിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള സബ്ജക്റ്റോ പ്രെഡിക്കേറ്റ്സോ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് ഫില്ല് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, ഈ കൈ ഉയർത്തി വെക്കാതെ മിസ് പറയുന്നതൊന്ന് കേൾക്ക്. ഓക്കെ, 2 clouds dash. 2 clouds dash. എങ്ങനെയത് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക സെന്റൻസ്? 2 clouds dash. 2 clouds were floating in the sky. 2 clouds were floating in the sky. Okay, the 2 clouds were floating in the sky. Yes, the second one, the rain dash. The rain dash. Can you complete that sentence? The rain. The rain powered. The rain powered very heavily. Okay, The rain poured very heavily. Okay, then third one. Dash flooded the playground. Dash flooded the playground. എങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾക്ക് sentence complete ചെയ്യാം? The water from the leaking pipe flooded the playground. അല്ലേ? പ്ലേഗ്രൗണ്ടിലെ ലീക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന പൈപ്പിൽ നിന്ന് വെള്ളം തളം കെട്ടി നിന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാം? വാട്ടർ ഫ്രം ലീക്കിംഗ് പൈപ്പ് flooded the playground. Then fourth one, the stream dash. എങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് എഴുതാം? Stream dash. ഒന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചേടോ. The stream. Look at your textbook. Then try to complete that sentence. Try to complete that sentence. Can you say the stream? Nobody. Try to find out all the answers. വേഗം അതൊന്ന് വായിച്ചു നോക്കി എല്ലാവരും. ആരോൺ, look at your textbook, then read that questions. Read that sentence. വേനൽക്കാലം എന്ന സമയത്ത് സ്ട്രീമിന് എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കും? വാട്ട് യു മീൻ ബൈ സ്ട്രീം? അരുവിയാണ് അല്ലേ? What happened to the stream when summer എന്താ സംഭവിക്കുക? എന്താ സമ്മറിൽ സംഭവിക്കുക? The stream dried up during the summer. Okay, how can you write? The stream dried up during the summer. Okay. Then fifth one, Dash heard a lovely song. My father heard a lovely song, or they heard a lovely song. The student of class 4 heard a lovely song. Okay, that's enough. Then sixth one, Dash went on all night. The party went on all night. The party went on all night. Then seventh one, Dad sitting on the roof. Dad sitting on the roof. A crow is sitting on the roof. Okay, a crow is sitting on the roof. Or a parrot is sitting on the roof. A monkey is sitting on the roof. Then seventh one, Jyotsna, Dad sitting on the roof. Sorry, Jyotsna dash. Jyotsna plays the guitar. Jyotsna plays football. Okay. Jyotsna plays football. Jyotsna plays hide and seek. Jyotsna is sitting in the class. Jyotsna is hearing a song. Jyotsna is writing a letter. You can complete that sentence in any way. Okay, I will give the notes today or tomorrow itself. Okay, Suryadev, what are you saying with your mother? You have to listen here. Okay, next M.
Work with your partner. Look at the picture and ask your partner to frame 5 sentences about it. Write them down. Now, take turns to identify the subjects and the predicates.
Okay. എന്താ ഇപ്പൊ പറഞ്ഞു തന്നത്? എന്താ ഇപ്പൊ വായിച്ചത്? Work with your partner. Okay, look at this picture. You have to look at this picture. What is in that picture? എന്തൊക്കെയാ picture ഉള്ളത് മക്കളെ? What is in that picture? Look at the picture and ask your partner to frame 5 sentences about it. Okay, you have to write 5 sentences about that picture. Write them down. Now, take turns to identify the subjects and the predicates. Okay, ആദ്യം നിങ്ങൾ സെന്റൻസ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുക, അതിനുശേഷം സെന്റൻസിലെ സബ്ജക്റ്റും പ്രെഡിക്കേറ്റും ഐഡന്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യുക. You have to frame 5 sentences from that picture. After that, you have to identify the subject and predicate. That is your question. Very simple. Okay. എന്തൊക്കെയാ പിക്ചറിലുള്ളത്? Okay. Advait Kamal, what is in that picture? What can you see in that picture? ആ പിക്ചറിൽ എന്താ കാണാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റുന്നത് അദ്വൈതിന്? What is that picture describes? What is in that picture? Advait, unmute yourself first. Unmute ചെയ്തിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞേ. Tell me, what can you see in that picture? വേഗം 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 പറഞ്ഞോ.
4 people.
4 people. Then who will say next? Suryadev, what can you see in that picture?
They are eating food.
They are eating food. Okay, then next Amaya Surendran. ഞാൻ പെട്ടെന്ന് കാണുന്നവരെയാണ് കേട്ടോ വിളിക്കുന്നത്.
A dining room.
A dining room. Then
Foods are on the table.
all foods are on the table. Then next Alna Augustine. Where is Alna? Okay. What can you see in the picture?
There are 4 people.
There are 4 people.
Crab.
Crab. Okay, yes, there is a crab. Then they scared about. They scared by seeing that crab. Okay. Then crab anudodu. Is that a crab? No. Then what is that? What is that? Okay, anyway, take it as your homework. Take it as your homework. Do you have any homework in the next earlier class? No homework? ഒരു homework ഇല്ല ഇന്ന്. എന്ത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു homework ഇല്ലടോ? Yes. What was your homework, Shamil?
ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ തന്നെ look at up.
Okay, എന്ത് എഴുതാനാ പറഞ്ഞ മിസ്? Suryadeve, what was your homework?
Homonyms. Homonyms.
Homonyms അല്ല മുത്തേ, homonyms. Okay, homonyms. ഒരു homework ഉണ്ടല്ലേ? Okay, then we can do it in the next class. Do not take it as your homework. I will give the notes, okay? I will give the notes about this picture. Okay, then. Okay, then that's enough for today. Shall we wind up the class? Okay. Bye. Okay, bye.